and welcome back to Makeup Mistress. Well, today I am doing this challenge. I have seen this challenge few weeks back, like few months back maybe, and I was so interested in doing this, and finally today I am here doing this and I'm so excited. So I saw Nikki, I saw James Charles, and I saw so many YouTubers doing this challenge, and I thought this is kind of my thing because I never overuse products. I never love to cake up a lot of my face with loads of makeup, and I just wanted to share this experience with you all so that you guys know that less is more. Whenever I teach my students, I tell them that less is more whenever I do live, but then still there are so many confusions, so many things, so this is like one kind of a video which will prove that less is absolutely more. Yeah, I agree, not always, because I'm worried about my brows because I don't have a lot, and if you have a lot of pigmentation or stuff like that, well, I don't have that crazy kind of. My face is kind of okay-ish, like one pump of it or one dip of it will be enough, I feel. So yeah, let's just see. So let's just see. So yes, if you are watching me for the very first time, then hello, I'm Pamela and you are here in my channel. You're most welcome. Please do subscribe to it and stay subscribed. Yes, today I'll be starting off with my foundation. So today I'm using this Rimmel Lasting Radiance foundation. This is my shade and I'm in the shade I'm in the shade Classic Beige. So this is like a radiant kind of a foundation. It gives an illuminating effect. So I'm taking just a pump. So it's a lot, it is a lot. This, and yeah, it's gone. So let's begin. So yes, I'm done with my foundation. So now I'll use my concealer. So this is my concealer brush and I'm just taking one dip and I'm just using it on the under eye area, under the brow, and everywhere. I'm just taking the last bit of it, whatever is there, so that I can cover up the whole area. So today I'm using this Makeup Revolution in the shade F8. This is a pan stick kind of a foundation and the coverage is really very good. You can see already, right? The coverage is really very good. This is very creamy and very good for winters and people with dry skin. It almost covers everything, almost everything. So yeah, I think I'm pretty much done. I'll just mix all of them together. So my base is pretty much done It's looking good. And now I'll use some powder. So I'll take this brush and I'll just, you know, use it. Yeah, take a lot of it rather. Use it on the under eye area, quickly on the entire face to set it. So it's good in one way that you should not be taking a lot of powder and, you know, lathering your face. You just need a little bit. And as it's winter, it's good for me. And although I don't use a lot of powder, like I just use a little bit of it because I love the shine and the glow on my face. So yeah, done with this. Next I'll be just bronzing up my face with the same. This thing is the Wet n Wild, if you can see, this is the Wet n Wild contouring palette. Contour, okay. And this is in the shade Caramel Toffee, and I'm taking this toffee shade, like a lot of it, in the brush so that I don't run out of it, and I'm just using it on the both sides. Oh, can you see that I'm doing this so fast because I cannot waste any time? What if the product falls and it is gone? So yeah, I'm like running after my life and I'm doing a good job, I think. Okay, so whatever is there, I'll just do the nose area. Oh wow, this is kind of a very regular everyday kind of a look. I totally agree that you cannot do this for a good, you know, big function. Okay, next is some blush. So I'm using this LA Girl blush collection in the variant Glam. If you guys follow me, you guys know that I love this palette. Okay, taken this much only, and oh god, I don't want to go extra because blushes are really, you know, makes you sad sometimes. So yeah, normally blushes do make us happy, but yeah, too much of it, like too much of anything is not good. Oh god, I made it. Next is some highlight. This is again from the Wet n Wild. This is their Blossom Glow. This is the palette. This is so gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. So I'll just take only once and then just of the excess because I don't want, you know, extra, like oh god, super extra. No, don't do this to me. I'm like shining. Oh, just have a look. Oh god, I need to actually settle it down because I cannot take so much of highlighter at a go. Oh my god. Oh wow, this looks brilliant. So yes, this is done. I'm so happy that the face is done. Okay, next is the eye makeup. I have taken this PAC eyebrow definer and have taken this Morphe brush and I'm gonna dip it just here little bit more. Okay, I hope it's not too much or super less. I need a mirror. So yeah, so first I'll start from the half and go to the tail so that the most of the product is absorbed there and it does not make my eyebrow look too cakey or, you know, too much of product at a go. I'll have to actually rub off the excess because I've taken too much and just blend the area because I want my brows to be super you know, natural, as I don't have a lot of hair, and if I just go overboard it will be a big no-no, like a big no-no. So yeah, I think they look pretty good. Oh my god. Okay, the last thing is not the last thing, next thing is my eyeshadow. So I have taken this You Can Be Living Coral palette, and I'll be taking this shade just once and then just use it, like, you know, quickly on both of my lids. All right, I cannot take this shade again. Oh god, no. All right, now I can take, I think, this shade, like, close, okay, at one go, and then just use it on both the lids equally. At least I'm trying and I'm quite, like, successful, if you can say. All right, then I'll take a little shiny shade like this, only once. Done. Ooh, focus. So I'll just use it here. Oh wow, the pigment is amazing. See, just with one swipe of my finger, it gives so much of color. I just need a brush to blend it beautifully. Ooh. Oh my god, I'm in so much hurry. Oh wow, this looks so good. Okay, time for the lower lash line. I'll again take this shade, now a little more, and then just use it on the lower lashes. All right, quite nice, but now I need to blend this, and I'll blend this nicely. Whew. Okay, all right, it's done. Now you guys already know that I'm not a eyeliner kajal person, but I am a mascara person. So I'm using this Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and I'll take this one swipe, and I can use just this one. So yes, let's begin. Oh god, will this suffice? I have no clue. Oh god, I don't. Oh god, I have hurt myself. I don't want to run out of this now because mascara is love. Oh ho. Now the lower one. So I've successfully finished the mascara. The last thing, I won't be using setting spray because one pump of it, like, I'll have to apply it here or here or whatever, it's not sufficient. So I'll move on to the lipstick, and today I'm using this Nykaa's Madras Kapi in the mini version. Okay, it is so cute, but it has really little amount of product, but the shade is beautiful. So this is what it is. I'm going to use only once. I'm done, and it looks fabulous. What do you think? Like, so it is done. So let me know, guys, what do you think? Like, am I looking super exotic? No. Am I looking like very weird? Absolutely no. So this is a super close-up look of the look. Okay, so I am looking pretty decent, and with one dip of products, which shows that we don't need a lot of product in our daily life, and this is how I can definitely go out, and I think you guys can also. So yeah, let me know if you guys have loved this video, and if you want me to do more such challenge kind of videos, then I would really love to do them for you, and just let me know in the comment section. And I'm so obsessed with this look, man. I'm so loving it. My curls are looking so good today, you know. Although I haven't defined them today, but I have blow dried, so yeah, it is like very you know, manageable. It's looking, so yeah, I'm just going haywire. So yeah, that was it for today. I will see you guys really soon with some new content. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to Makeup Mistress and stay gorgeous.